Doing another drain line flush. Show you guys in a second, but this is everything that I need. Stir it up. We're cooking now. We are cooking. Made a boo-boo. That is nasty. Stop cleaning in a freaking 100-degree attic. Get the job done. Get out of here, man. Why are you so OCD? Uh-oh, vacuum is full. And put a flow switch. Always wire it with the R of your thermostat. Come on. Here we go. Just dry everything up. At least dry out the area that I wetted. You know, I caused it to wet. I caused it wet. All right, that's it. So everything that I just did, the drain line flush and the flow switch on the drain pan. Clean out the pan, disinfectant, all that stuff. So the entire service, I charged for 350. Usually flow switch I charge 150 to 180. As low as 120, it just all depends. Tipped me 15 bucks, yo. And it's like almost a whole Jackson. I got 5 Lincoln.